Good morning, everyone. You have to tilt your head a little bit because I couldn't find my tripod. So we're not standing like this. We're actually standing like this. But we wanted you to admire our mommy and me outfits.
Our Chris. I got up earlier, though. I got up at 6, so she copied me today.
And I got up at 7.
So she copied me.
I don't know why this happened because we have totally different styles with stuff, right?
But I have color style.
But why?
I still have style in clothes.
But why, like 75% of the time, like we'll get out of the car and like we're wearing the same color combo. Like why? Like look at your, go like this. Go
We
like
even
this,
got-
Mom.
we
Show
even-
them the shoes.
We even got boots alike.
Like how'd that happen? Who knows? We look cute. 40 and 70 and we still do mommy and me. All right, Mom, how many comments are we going to get on our outfits today?
That's a mommy and me look again.
Let's see if anybody notices that we're
Okay.
matching.
Black and white.
Ooh, the sleeve on black and white.
But-
That is cute, Mom.
But size medium. I have to get a large.
I like this. I don't know if it'd fit me though. It's extra small.
Oh, that'd be cute.
I know. So this, I'm thinking I have black wide leg satin pants at home, like all flowy, and then this is fitted on the top.
Yeah,
With like my gold, like old brass, like kind of gothic jewelry.
Yeah.
Don't that look pretty?
You have to try it on though, because that's
I know.
a fitted waist thing.
But I love the puff sleeves, and it has a little tie that's like built into it.
Yeah, that's cute.
It's like a like sexy little cheetah print.
Cheetah.
Watch out. Mother. Look at that eyelet. It's almost like a little jacket.
I got a lot of white now, remember?
But that's really pretty.
Very pretty.
Hello?
I'm looking for red things today because they're half price.
Oh, you're so cheap. That's like $7.99. So these are the racks that like are fresh out of the back
Yeah.
before they go onto like the main racks. So it's like the new stuff. You always want to look here first. And I just spotted this really awesome. Look at this black velvet. I love that kind of like simplistic collar like that. It's like very chic. Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty.
I need to try this on too. It's like really soft.
Put that in there where you can try it on. I have to take that big sweater off.
It's $9.99. Can you handle that, Mom? In the cart. Let's see what else we find on here. I wish I could find some more jumpsuits. Ooh, or some more wide leg pants that I don't need. I'm supposed to be looking at holiday stuff. So what I'm thinking, like along the entryway, you know, I do my lit garland and stuff.
Yeah.
I wanted to create like big bows at each like curve of the stair, like
Yeah.
each landing, I guess.
So
is
you
what
like
I'm saying.
3.
Yeah, but like just drippy long, like cascading ribbon down it.
So we need to find curtains or tablecloths.
Here I am, baby. We're right in the department.
Right.
So what I was thinking in like curtain, tablecloth, like cut big strips of
Yep.
it and just let it like cascade, like
Yeah.
very dramatic, like simple, but like drama right when you walk in.
Okay, there it is, huh?
The drama, we are bringing it. All right, how much is this? What do I got to work with?
What is it? Is it a fitted sheet or what
I
is
think
it?
it's a tablecloth
Ooh, perfect. Then it's hemmed all the way around.
and it's satin. See, that's the thing, you thrift this stuff and then you don't feel bad for like cutting it up or,
Yeah.
you know. I mean, I wouldn't do that to like a beautiful vintage one, but
Oh, you could get 3 out of that.
oh yeah, that'll be great. Oh, I can cut this up.
Yeah.
$6.99.
Yep, there's your bow.
Imagine like how many yards this is and what that would cost at the fabric store.
Looks like a huge, big tablecloth. It fit
Perfect.
perfect. And it's hemmed around it too. That way you don't have to worry about the bottom looking.
What else can I find? Ooh, what's this? Tassels. Vanilla.
That's pretty.
Nice brocade. Is that a stain or is it like just the fabric?
That's a stain. That's a pretty color. I like
Yeah,
it.
wouldn't this be beautiful with like soft pinks?
That's
that
pretty.
color with the
Check
gold.
for stains.
The gold piping. Let's check that out. Yeah.
Put a plate
or
under
like a
it.
floral arrangement and it leaks. Does it look good? Oh, that one looks good.
That one looks good. What the backside looks like.
Okay, let's envision pink roses, hand-painted pastel porcelains accented with gold tarnished brass.
Yes.
Done.
Okay, can I turn it off?
Yeah. Mom, look at these pillows. Oh, there's 6 nights. Are these green? What's the color? Oh, the color's red, Mom. But these are green. Aren't those fun? Ours tends to get a lot of like brand new pillows here from Target. Oh,
These are
those are
pretty.
neat, Mom.
At my house, I don't need pillows on my couch at my house.
Are you drawing the line on pillows
Yes.
now? We kind of went overboard this last year on accent pillows, but
Yeah.
I made a scarf with that knitted stuff, and it was like 12 feet long. I just kept going.
But it's so heavy, but this one's light.
Mom, have you seen that picture of Lenny Kravitz? And he's wearing a scarf, but it looks like a giant blanket.
And
Like, that's what my scarf looked like. Aren't those beautiful?
Chimoiserie.
Oh, this is like the sticker kind though. I like the ones that are like hand painted, but they're very pretty.
These are pretty.
Yeah, real pretty.
No, you can hang them, or you could use them for little cookies or candies.
Love them. This is that reverse painted glass. That's really pretty. Look, see how it's reverse painted?
Yeah, that is pretty.
Wow.
Got reverse painted.
Oh my God. Look at did you see the purple,
That would go with that.
the cake stand I got?
Set that on top of that.
Oh my gosh, look at the color happening.
Yeah, you got some color going there.
My mom and I are in here. We're arguing in the aisle because she wants me to go take all my clothes off again and go try this on. I was like, no, this will fit. But this color, just listen, this is how I like, listen here.
Yes, ma'am.
With these type of dresses, they look kind of just like bleh, you know what I mean? Like baggy.
You had to put a belt on there?
My raffia belt that I think everyone's tired of me wearing, but that's stretchy, it's like that, you know, that natural woven, it's wide. Wear that with a wedge in the summer. And guess
my
what?
God, yeah.
Guess what, everyone? Pockets.
And it has pockets.
I'm doing it.
You do it.
Tell me what to do, Mom. Only time you'll hear me say that.
First time this year she's asked me, told me what to do.
Usually I don't have to ask.
She tells me what to do. I'm gonna pull tight, so it makes it easier. You can pull tight and I can pull tight.
Okay. Yeah.
Wait, pull it down that way. So
Flashing everybody.
great. Oh, great. Look
Getting
at
some new
Look-
subscribers. I never colored in the lines.
Never colored in the line, never cut in the
This
line.
looks awful. All right, let's throw that over there.
Make this one really fat then, because you're kind of the crazy woman with the scissors.
Once I get going, it's hard to stop.
I can tell. Getting narrow again.
My mom's moving her hands as fast as she can at the end there.
Oh my God. Never
Yeah.
get scissors or a knife.
Mom, I grew up watching Freddy Krueger and like the
I know. I can
Edward Scissorhands.
Edward your scissor hand. There you are.
Good thing you got some decent health insurance this year.
Good thing this only cost $2.99. I got health insurance. Accidental death at Christmas time.
You got 9 more fingers over there. It's kind of like, this is why I don't bake, you know? I just don't like to,
You don't like to follow the rules.
No.
That's why.
it's called freestyle. That's when the good stuff happens. Just an idea.
Look how hacky it is.
This is so bad.
I go.
If Judgy Wuzzy comes here for Christmas, like
We're sending
you're not
Judgy
getting
Wuzzy home.
anything.
Judgy Wuzzy comes for Christmas, he goes back home with nothing.
Let's get we're gonna put all these in a pile. Let's go do the garland. And
Then we can
we'll
figure
put
out how to
bows
do
on
a
it.
bow
Okay,
later.
bye. Every year I love to run this garland up the stairs. I think we got this on super clearance like a
Yeah.
long time ago. But I have, I think almost 20 feet. So when I run it up the whole stairway, I can even get it across the top landing up there, and it just looks really beautiful at night. And even when you're standing on the front porch, you can kind of see it through the window, just cascading down the stairs. And I wanted to show you these twists. These are really, really neat. So if you're doing any kind of wraps of your own on a banister, or maybe you have like a little wreath you want to hang, these wraps are really, really neat. I think I found them on Amazon. I'll link them down in the description for you. But as you can see, they're like a twist tie almost, and they're all satin covered. They have all kinds of different colors, like beautiful ivories, golds, reds, like whatever your colorway is. So many options on there, and I think they're under $20 for sure for like a big pack of them. But what I used to do, I would cut twine
Or ribbon.
Or ribbon, yeah, and like tie it and try to hold the, you know, the garland and everything into place. And then I discovered these little twisty tie things, and it makes life a lot easier.
And then you can use them next year too.
So should we do 1, 2, 3, and then that third?
Yeah.
Like run here,
Yeah.
run there, run there. Love. That looks pretty gorgeous.
And now do one with a big bow. Yeah, like that with some drapes and then a big bow.
Duh, huh, Mom?
Yeah. Da-da.
Duh.
Da-da-da.
Remember when I was like in junior high, I would be like, no, duh.
Oh God, I hated that.
You hate it. You get so mad.
I said, quit saying that. Makes you sound dumb.
Yeah, it does.
From that sheet she couldn't cut a straight line with to beautiful.
Behold.
That's gold. Yeah, that'll go.
Like this. These.
Kind of scrunch them like you,
Glassy babies.
where you know where you're scrunching, kind of
Like this.
like that. Where,
Ooh, she's pretty. What if we wrapped this with the
this?
leftover and it was like a big bow coming down?
Look at this. We've used every bit of our tablecloth.
That's awesome. Yeah, every single scrap. All right, thanks for hanging out with us today. I hope you got some good ideas for decorating some thrifty ways and save some money of your own. I will see you in the next video, which is going to be my holiday home tour. I'm going to be sharing the dining room and especially my beautiful living room with you so you can see my tree and stuff. So thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe for more fun thrifting videos, and I'll see you in the next one.